We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, like the back.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be working with this 360 wig from OMGHerHair, and yes, this is 100% glueless. I've not used any hairspray, I've not used any glue, I've not used any gel. So this is a 360 wig and it's 100% glueless. This is the super fine HD lace and it comes with a clean bleached hairline. So if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this beautiful wig from OMGHerHair, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Honestly, I'm so impressed with this wig and how easy it was for me to work with. Definitely a beginner friendly wig. So if you want to see how I made this wig 100% glueless, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. So this is the 360 wig from OMGHerHair. As you guys can see, the lace comes pre-bleached and it comes with a pre-plucked hairline as well. So I've just applied some foundation to help the lace match my skin. So this is what the back of the wig looks like. The hairline also looks very natural. It's not too dense. It looks super natural, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band on the inside of the wig to help you achieve a glueless install, and it comes with an invisible elastic strap at the back of the wig to make the wig very fitted as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the lace at the back of the wig, and then we can go ahead and install the wig. Also, when you're cutting the lace at the back, you want to make sure you're cutting in a zigzag motion as well. Do not cut the lace straight because it's going to look very unnatural. So you want to make sure, just as you would cut the lace zigzag at the front, you're doing that at the back as well. And this is how it looks at the back now that I've cut the lace. Okay, so here's what the wig looks like, and I did go in to take off some hair at the front of the hairline just because the hairline was a bit too forward for me, for my liking anyway. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just install the wig, and can we just get into how good the lace is? Honestly, when it comes to OMGHerHair, the lace is always on point. So like I said, the wig comes pre-plucked and it comes pre-bleached as well, so you can see the lace looks extremely good.
Like when you feel caught in midnight, you got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail.
So to make your wigs lay down on the sides when you're doing a glueless wig install, you have to pull down. You have to pull out some hair on the sides, so when you're laying it down with your melt band, it stays. So this is what the wig looks like, and it looks really good for a glueless wig install. I've not applied any hair mousse, I've not applied any gel, any glue, any hairsprays, nothing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some hair mousse.
Try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we...
And then when it comes to the back, I'm just gonna pull the invisible elastic band that's there, and I like the fact that it's invisible because that just means it looks extremely seamless. So I'm just gonna pull them on each side to to help the wig fit my head properly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just apply the hair mousse.
You run out of time and second chances, empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? You like the fast life, you like to drive.
So now I'm gonna make sure I pull down on the sides just to make sure that the lace actually lays down. So this is what I was trying to explain to you guys when I said you have to make sure you pull down on the sides when you use your elastic band. And so now I'm just gonna move on to styling the wig. Okay, so I've just wet the hair, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just use my blow dryer.
Get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to.
So this is what the hair texture looks like. This is their loose curly wig. I'm going to take off the elastic band and then we can see what the lace looks like. So this is what the lace looks like. It's 100% glueless. Honestly, the lace on this wig is everything. So like I said, this is their super fine HD lace. The hairline, the plucking, everything is just on point with this wig. So I think the trick to making sure that the sides lay down when you're doing a glueless install is you have to make sure that you cut the lace to fit around your ears properly. So if the lace isn't cut properly, then it's not gonna lay down. So for example, if I zoom all the way in, 1 second. So you can see the lace on the side is laid down, but around here it looks like it wants to lift. That's because it's not sitting around my ears. It's not sitting around my ears properly here. So I'm gonna cut some lace.
Oh, think I'm stuck on you. Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura.
And now you can see I can put this around my ears. I can lift the hair and not have to worry about, you know, the lace lifting or anything like that. So yeah, so this is how I do my glueless wig install. The hairline looks really, really good. As you can see, this is 100% glueless.
Pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty.
So this is a very easy wig to work with, definitely very beginner friendly. Like it took me about less than 10 minutes to install this wig, cut the lace, lay it down, everything, and even to define the curls as well. And the hair feels really, really soft and really fluffy. So now I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like if you were to wear this wig in a ponytail or like a messy bun.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know?
So now I'm just gonna pull out some hair around the hairline at the back, you know, just to make it look very realistic as much as possible.
You only got this life, no guarantees. The stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind, hiding about me.
So guys, this is the finished look, and honestly I'm so impressed with this wig. So impressed with this wig. This is 100% glueless. It's a 360 wig, very easy to work with, definitely beginner friendly. And now I'm gonna spin around so you guys can see what the back of this wig looks, to see how the back of the wig looks. And I just love the hairline and the lace. So like I said, once again, this is the super fine HD lace, and it really is super fine because you can't see the lace. You can't tell me this is not my hair. This looks very realistic. It looks very natural. Just 10 out of 10, okay? Because this is everything. Like, guys, get into the hairline, get into the lace, the plucking, and then now I'm gonna show you the back.
Myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in places, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.
And there we have it. So like I said, this wig is from OMGHerHair, and this is their loose curly wig. It's a 20-inch wig and it's 180 density, perfect density. The hair itself is extremely soft, very fluffy. So yeah, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go.